and welcome. Today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy PR package. It finally arrived. Hailey's has been here and mine was like lost in translation. Is that what it's called? I don't know, but it was gone and it arrived and I am here to unbox it for you guys today. So before we jump into the video, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace a hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, chit-chat, and have a good time. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, so I have already received my paid for glam bag, so that video is already up. I will try and remember to link it down below for you guys or put it up here somewhere for y'all, but that's already up. I'm waiting on my paid for Glam Bag Plus, and actually Hailey and I are both waiting on that, but we'll be back to do our Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter, as soon as all of our paid for things come in. Jumping into the first item. So the first item is this really cute little pamphlet. It's like a journal actually. Hailey opened hers the other day, so I did get to see some of the items in here. So this is a nice little pen, and then like I said, it's like a little calendar slash journal. Keep track of everything, and I love these things. So Hailey was so adorable. She was so excited over this. Anyways, now the next item was a really cute like porcelain water bottle, and unfortunately when Hailey's came in, it was busted, like bad. It was broken into pieces and shattered. So she was really bummed out, so I just went ahead and gave her mine. But I'm sure if you've watched other PR unboxings, I'm assuming maybe they were all the same. It was a really cute like little porcelain water bottle. So anyways, moving into this box, as you guys may or may not know, these come with everything in here. Like sometimes you kind of have to guess as far as everything goes. So this is what it looks like. I actually think mine is different than what Hailey received. That's cool. I honestly thought that everybody got the same across the board, but apparently not, because this is not stuff that she received. So I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with the glam bag. Now this bag right here is going to cost you $12 a month, and you do get to customize one of the items in here. Now this was set in PR, so obviously I don't customize any of the items. These are like deluxe size samples in here. I'm trying to count and see if there's anything that may go in here. I don't know. Yeah, I think she said it was a brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and count this as one of the items that should have been in here, but this is by LaRousse, and this is a nice little brush right like that. Actually be really good to like blend out your concealer or what have you. So let's jump into the bag. The first item is by Biro, New York. I didn't know they were coming to Ipsy. Okay, so I absolutely love this skincare line. We actually have seen it over at Boxycharm, and I've got the tomato serum, I've got their apple, I think it's an apple toner, and this is their, what is this? It says Salmon Cream. A luxury rich cream that combines peptides and salmon caviar, salmon. I don't know. Anyways, it's gonna smooth, firm, and plump the skin. I am so excited to see that over here. The next item is the Youth to the People Kombucha plus 11% AHA Exfoliator Power Toner. Very, very good. Absolutely love these types of things, and Youth to the People is a very good skincare line. So excited to see everything in here. Next is by CoverFX. This is a Shimmer Veil in Celestial. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay. I think this is for your eyes, actually, right? I think I have one of these. Not in this particular shade. Yes. These are really pretty. You guys see that? I mean, that is like, woo, blinding. Let's add a little bit. Why not? We'll add some in the inner portion of the eye. Isn't that pretty? Who knew it was gonna turn into a little try-on? Oh, I need some more. These are really comfortable by Cover FX, and they don't get like that crusty type of feeling where they kind of crumble like some brands. This is really pretty, really comfortable, and I like this particular shade. I feel like it's one that is going to work for a lot of people, and even if you have mature lids, just a little tip, if you have a little bit of wrinkles and crinkles, what I do to not accentuate like the outer like crow's feet or fine lines, I keep my shimmer right here in the inner portion of my eye to the middle portion. When I start getting out this, you know, out to the outer edge of my eye, that's when a lot of things start to show and creep up that you really maybe don't want to show everybody. So just a little tip. Okay, the next and last item is by Stila. This is the Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. This is actually a really pretty mauve-y color, and I'm okay with this. I'm totally okay with this color. I really like that. Okay, so that is the $12 bag. You receive about 5 items in here, and it's a nice little travel-friendly type of bag. Moving right on to the next bag. Now, the items I'm going to show you now, I believe, is everything that would be in your $25 glam bag. So the Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. Now typically everything would be inside of this bag. It's like a little drawstring bag, and it does say like Dream on it, just like the other one does. And the first item I see in here is by Kinship. It's called Naked Papaya Inside Face Cleaner. Okay, I think I messed up, because this is, this is where it gets a little tricky, because luckily I'm unboxing it all in one video for you guys. You guys said you like that. So maybe the brush should have been in here. I don't know, because this is a deluxe sample size, and that is what you see in the Glam Bag $12 bag. So this is by Kinship. This is the Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser, Bare Face Happy Place. This looks really like it's gonna smell delicious. I can't get it. Anyways, I do believe this should go in the Glam Bag. Okay, moving on. The next item is Florence by Mills Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask. Okay. Ooh, why does it look like it's shimmering in there? Let's open her up. You guys know I love masks. Oh, you guys see that? Oh, we're gonna have to do like it smells nice and clean. It's not like a heavy scent. I can't get it. There it goes. I'm scared. I think. Okay, I'm just gonna make a mess. Okay, follow me over on Instagram. I'm gonna do like a little self-care thingy or something, but I think that's so pretty. I mean, I don't know if like the shimmers are necessary, but I'm not mad about it, because you guys know like I'm all about the sparkle and glitter. So there's one item. Okay, I'm cracking up because I wanted this so flippin' bad. If you guys watch my Ipsy video where I was talking about having a problem with the website, I had said I wanted to pick the Igk Hydrating Balm, and I was so upset because my app would not work and I could not make my choices for my paid for Glam Bag Plus. So fortunately, this happened to come in my PR box. I wanted this so bad. You guys know obviously this is not my natural hair color, so I put all the hydration back into my hair and my skin as possible. Plus I have autoimmune and thyroid issues, so dry, brittle, that's the name of my game. So I'm all about the hydration. Super excited about that. Next, we're seeing the Purlisse Blue Loftus Balancing Moisturizer. Purlisse, another wonderful skincare brand out there. And when it comes to your Glam Bag Plus, the $25 box, you do get to customize 3 out of the 5 items, and they are full-size items. I want to say this was maybe one of my choices for my particular box as well. So this hydrates and balances, prevents fine lines, preps skin for makeup. Ooh, so you could use it as like a primer. And then the last item I see in here is by Anastasia. Like, this is a full-size mascara, Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. The only thing I've ever seen from them before in here is their like little tiny lip, what is that called? Lip glossers. Wow, okay. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about seeing these brands at Ipsy. I have to say I'm super excited to see the Biro New York because that is such an expensive skincare line. So anytime I can get that in any of my subscriptions, that makes me super uber happy. So let me know you guys' thoughts on these brands, on these items, on your choices. Like I said, Haley and I will be coming back and doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy Glam Bag and our Ipsy versus Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, because as we know, your girl couldn't make her choices, so her choices didn't go through. So I'm very curious to see what I end up getting in my Glam Bag Plus, which is not here yet, but hopefully it will be very, very soon. Don't forget, Haley has a channel, so go give her a follow over there. Her channel name is Love Haley. And then I have a second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. And again, I'm still nagging to have you guys go follow me over on Instagram if you would. And if you guys are curious about what is on my face makeup wise, I will have that linked and listed down below for you guys. My top is from Tord. If it's still available, I will make sure to list that as well. Anyways, guys, let me know you guys' thoughts on the brands for Ipsy and what are some brands you want to see Ipsy start carrying that maybe we see in other subscriptions or we don't see in other subscriptions and we want to see in Ipsy. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.